Hello graphic designer, today we learn to design a simple coffee poster by using Photoshop. If it's your first time, please subscribe and turn on notification to get another tutorial. And if you have question, let me know in the comment. Let's get started to the video. Okay, for the first step, we create a new document. I use shortcut Ctrl N. And I customize it on preset detail. The text I selected is the title of document. I choose centimeters, width 21, height 21, resolution 300 pixel inch, color mode RGB color 8-bit, background content white, color profile as RGB, aspect ratio 12 pixel, and I click on create. This is our new document. Before design, we save it first. For save, I go to File, choose Save As, and choose the place you want to save. This is file name. You can change that you want. Save as tab, choose Photoshop PSD, and save. After save, we start design on it. The first, I go to Add Card. I go to View, Stand on Card, and choose New Card Layout. I click on Machine like that. And all of them I put 70 pixels and OK. This is card layout. For this step, I add gradient color. I click on create new fill or adjustment layer and choose gradient. I click here to change color. Double click to choose the color. Okay, change style to radial. Angle I put 90 degrees, scale 100%. For next step, I add a texture background. I have it. I go to folder. I drag this one. For the background, I download it from Pinterest. You just go to browser and search Pinterest and search the background texture. You will see like that, and many background as you want. I stand on it and I change it to soft line. Opacity I put 30%. I just tap number 3 on the keyboard. Okay. For next step, I insert main subject. I add the shadow below the main subject. I put it below the main subject and I use brush tool, this tool. I change to soft round and I change it to like that. Opacity I put 100 and color I choose black. Hold Alt key and drag right mouse to make the brush big or small. I change blend mode to multiply. Opacity I put 80%. I tap number 8 on the keyboard. Select both layer and I click link. For next step, I put the eye smoke. I drop this one. Drag it down to below the main subject. Ctrl T, right click and choose warp. I change blend mode to screen. And next step, I put layer mask to brush the smoke. I choose brush tool. I choose soft round and opacity put 100. Fill I choose black. Okay, like that. For next step, I add coffee beans. I have it like that, and I choose lasso tool and draw the bean that I want. And I make it blur. It's motion blur. I go to filter and I convert it to smart filter first, and I go to filter again and choose blur and motion blur. Distance I put 50 pixels and OK. I Ctrl M to put curve. I Ctrl J to duplicate it. And I drag it to below the main subject to put it the back of the main subject. Okay, and for next step, I add leaf. The same, I put motion blur. Go to filter and convert to smart object. Go to filter again and I click on motion blur that it show on the top. Distance I put 40 and OK. Ctrl J to make copy. Next step, I add text. I choose text tool. You can tab or Ctrl V to paste. I put hot coffee. I make this text like noise. I go to filter and I stand on noise and add noise. Convert to smart object. Amount I put 30%. Uniform and OK. I add one more text. I add logo and social media icon. Final step, I export this flyer. I go to File and choose Export and click Export as JPEG. And choose the place you want to export and click on Save. Okay, finish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. And if you have questions, let me know in the comment. See you next video.